Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an Einstein bot in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your setup and go setup. And basically, you will need to already having a license or permissions that allows you to create your own setup or your own Einstein bots. So from here, we can just search for the bots, and basically we will find these Einstein bots. We click on it, and first we need to enable our Einstein bots. So here we click on OK, and then you will need just to authorize to use it, and we are going to start our Einstein bots. So from here we can find our bots, and you can simply click on create a new one. Either you can create an enhanced one or you can create a standard one. For here, let's just use a standard one as a tutorial. So we need just to click next, and let's try with a template so you can familiarize more with the bots. And from here, you give it a name, my bot, and the language that it will start working with. You can add more languages, and I'm just going to click next. And from here, you can give him the permissions or the items that he can connect to. So either he can report issues, connect with sales, check status, etc. Next, and from here, you can embed some service deployments if you already have. So basically, only the unique deployments are required to be in the organization so you can add them. So from here, you will need just to choose uh, to add a bot's permission. You give him a dialog template so he can know which type of the dialog he can use, etc. etc. So now let's proceed on the building. So basically now it's generating all the dialog templates and starting building the intent model and some flows so he can know what to do. And basically, you will need just to wait for the process to finish, and now you will have your own bot that will be ready. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.